after returning for several minutes, after running, I told you in the beginning, he jumped out from a moving train. The train didn't stop. It had gone to a longer distance. From there he is coming back. He had to run. He had to run to reach her. So he was running. And he was also gasping for breath. ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹುಡುಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಆತ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಓಟವನ್ನು ವೇಗ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಉಸಿರು ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ, ಗಾಸ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರೆತ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್, ಅನೇಕ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳು, ನಿಮಿಷಗಳ ನಂತರ, he found ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಣಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಳು, ಕಂಡಳು. ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. He found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. Sprawled. What do you mean by sprawled? SPRAWLED. What do you mean by that? Lie. Lie stretched. ಹೀಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅವಳು. ಲೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಲಗು, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಕಾಲಗಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಲೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ಡ್, sprawled by the side of the tracks. By the side of the tracks, the girl fell off. By the side of the tracks. ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಳು. बहन जी आप ठीक हैं? बहन जी आप ठीक हैं? He asked. It's in Hindi, isn't it? It's a Mumbai related incident. So he's asking in Hindi, बहन जी आप ठीक हैं? Just please underline that. It's a one important extract. ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಇದು. बहन जी आप ठीक हैं? He asked. ಏನು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು? Who said this? Baleshwar Mishra said this. To whom he is calling Behenji? Roma Talreja is a Behenji, isn't it? Behenji means, what is the meaning in Behenji? Means sister, Tangi. Sister, are you okay? But there was no response. And no help in sight. What do you mean by sight? Sight means ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಬಂದ, ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆಕೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಓಕೆ? But there was no response. The thing is, she lost the Eyesight? No, it doesn't mean eyesight. It's here, but there was no response, no help in sight. Kannu muchittu. No help in sight. That is a sight. They were alone somewhere between two stations, 5 kilometers apart in Thana district, which borders Mumbai. What does it mean? See, he came nearer to that girl and he is asking, are you okay? Are you all right? What happened to you? But she didn't respond because her eyes got closed. And they were somewhere 5 kilometers away to Mumbai. Far away. 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಮುಂಬೈಯಿಂದ. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಎಂಥ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಥಾನಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಮುಂಬೈನ ಥಾನಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ನ ಆಸುಪಾಸಿನ ಒಂದು 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಮುಂಬೈ ಹತ್ರ ಗಡಿ 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಕುಡ್ ಸಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಗಶ್ behind the young woman's head. Cha. What a pity. Baleshwar, 7th paragraph. Baleshwar could see, past tense could see blood flowing, blood coming out of a gush. Gush means cut. Gush means cut. What happened to her? Cut behind the young woman's head. Saying a silent prayer. He's saying prayer. He lifted. Whom he is lifting? That girl. He lifted the 5 feet 2. 5 feet 2 means 5 ಅಡಿ 2 ಇಂಚು ಅಲ್ವಾ? 5.2. 50 kilo Roma gingerly. What happened? She had fallen out of the track and she had a cut at the back side of her head. Blood is coming out. He is praying, God, please save this girl. And he is lifting that 5 feet tall and 50 kilo weight girl, Roma gingerly, very difficultly, kashta, and made his way across the tracks. He's lifting her and he's taking away out of the track, looking out for trains and searching for a way out. You know, as he is running between 2 tracks, he has to cross that track and is finding a way, safe way. Because sometime there may be a train which is coming in the track. So he had to be safer. He crossed through some shrubbery. Shrubbery means small ಕುರುಚಲು ಗಿಡಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಕುರುಚಲು ಗಿಡಗಳು, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಗಿಡಗಳು, shrubbery. It is there down, see, shrubbery, and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. Actually, you know one thing, he is a stranger to that place and they were somewhere 5 kilometers away from Mumbai. And he had lifted that girl and he is taking towards some medication. He crossed through some shrubbery and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. Find. Road ಸಿಗೋ ತನಕ ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. My sister is injured. See what he is saying. My sister is injured. He implored. Implore means implore. IMPLORE means request, implore, request, ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. My sister is injured. He implored motorists who drove by, please help me to take her to a hospital. But no one stopped. It's a very pathetic condition. ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸರದ ಸಂಗತಿ. ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತೇವೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಇಮೋಷ್ನಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರೋ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೋಟರಿಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಗಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ವಾಹನ ಚಾಲಕರ ಹತ್ರ. ಹೂ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಚಲಾಯಿಸು, ವಾಹನ ಚಲಾಯಿಸು, ಡ್ರೌ ಬೈ. ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ, ವಿದಿನ್ ಕೊಟೇಶನ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಹರ್ ಟು ಎ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ಬಟ್ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಯಾರು ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಸಂದೇಹಗಳಿದಾವ? ನೋಡಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. Can I continue? If you don't have any doubt, page 26, paragraph number 8, 8th paragraph. That morning on December 10th, 2010, a Friday, Roma Talreja arrived at the call center bright and early. The BCom graduate from Pune had been working there for 2 years, loving her job, talking and connecting to customers and making new friends there. After work, she went to the cafeteria where she and her friends joked, laughed and made plans for the weekend. Then, heading home alone after her shift, Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brother and a long phone chat with her fiancé Vijay. What is happening here? Here we are going to know about Roma Talreja. ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಮಾ ತಲ್ರೇಜ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಪಾತ್ರಧಾರಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಆಕೆ ಯಾರು ಏನು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ December 10, 2010, December 10, ಸಿ you have to remember this date. This incident had taken place on December 10 in 2010 on Friday. ಈ ದಿವಸ ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದದ್ದು, ಆಕೆ ಬಿದ್ದಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ದಿವಸ. ಇದೊಂದು ನಡೆದ ಘಟನೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನನ್ನ ಆರಂಭದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ December 10, 2010, a Friday, Roma Talreja arrive. What do you mean by arrive? Arrival. Arrive ಆಗೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಮನ. ಅದರ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಚರ್. The train arrives at 10 o'clock, departs at 12 o'clock. Agamana, Nirgamana. So here what happens? Roma Talreja arrived at the call center bright and early. She used to come early to the office. You know, she was working in a call center as a executive, you know, call center. The BCom graduate from Pune. So she had studied BCom. One is she is working in a call center. Call center, 21-year-old. She had studied BCom, commerce graduate. Working there for 2 years. She was working since 2 years and loving her job. She loves her job. She was passionate about her job. Talking and connecting to customers. Talking, any doubts, any clarification. It's a call center, right? Whatever you wanted regarding some business, some address, anything related, some business related, people used to call there and they used to connect people, connect companies, customers, and making new friends there. Hello, how are you? I am from so and so company. I wanted little information regarding this. Please, can you give me the information? So they used to get friends. After work, she went to the cafeteria. Cafeteria. What do you mean by cafeteria? Cafeteria means canteen. Canteen. Cafeteria. The word itself says coffee. Coffee ಕುಡಿಯುವಂಥ ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು ಅವಳು? After the work, to little break you need, right? So she used to go to the canteen. After work, she went to the cafeteria where she and her friends joked, laughed, and made plans for the weekend. Weekend means it's a trend now. Weekend, ಶನಿವಾರ ಭಾನುವಾರ ಬಂದಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ದೂರ ಪಿಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯಾದರೂ ಲಾಂಗ್ ರೈಡ್ ಆ ಥರ ಟೂರ್ ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ very happily. She used to laugh, joke, plan. All those things were going on in the cafeteria, where she and her friends joked, isn't it? That's okay. Then heading home alone after a shift. Heading home means moving home, going home. Home alone after a shift. You know, shift. In companies all you have 3 timings: morning, afternoon, and night shift. Like that, after the shift, she used to go back home. Roma was looking forward to having a supper, uta, ratre uta la, having a supper with her parents and brother. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಮನೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಊಟವನ್ನು ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಣ್ಣನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ she had all those plans. A long phone chat with her fiance Vijay. Fiance. See that word? Fiance. F-I-A-N-C-E. F-I-A-N-C-E-E. Fiance. C-E. What do you mean by fiance? This is given here. The man that a woman is engaged to. Engagement ಆಗಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆಕೆಯ ಮದುವೆ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತಾರ್ಥ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ? ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಜಯ್. ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಫಿಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಫಿಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಹುಡುಗಿಗಾದರೆ ಫಿಯಾನ್ಸಿ. ಮದುವೆ ಆಗುವವಳು, ಭಾವಿ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ವೈಫ್. ಸೊ ಫಿಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಇವನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ವಿಜಯ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಕೆ ಮದುವೆ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತಾರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಫಿಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಫಿಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಫಿಯಾನ್ಸ್ ವಿಜಯ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ರೋಮಾ ತಲ್ರೇಜಾ, ಅಬೌಟ್ whom we are studying here. She was 21-year-old. She was working in a call center as an executive, and she is a BCom graduate. And after the work, She was working there since 2 years. After the work, she used to meet her friend at cafeteria. She used to laugh, talk, planning or regarding the weekend all. After the work, she used to go home, having supper with her parent or brother, and later she used to chat with her Vijay, who is her fiance. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಆಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು, ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು, ಜೋಕ್ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಫ್ಟೇರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಜೊತೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಚಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ವಿಜಯ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ 8th ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂಥ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು. Shall we move to the 9th one? Okay. Any doubt in the 8th paragraph? Can I continue? Okay. Sir. Baleshwar Mishra has a very different story. The lanky youngster from Mirzapur, UP is an unemployed high school dropout who had recently come to Mumbai. Living with his 2 older brothers, his job hunt had proved fruitless. Now he was treading water and had resigned himself to the fact that he was running out of options. He had spent his day with a friend, grabbed lunch and watched a movie. As Baleshwar boarded the train home, he pondered over his future. But all he could now think of was saving a stranger's life. Saving a stranger's life. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುವಾಗ, ಓದುವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ? ನಾವೀಗ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಈಗ ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ? ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಮಿಶ್ರಾ. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಮಿಶ್ರಾ